Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Iron Brain, and this episode I'm going to be showing one of my stuff, and a lot of you guys are familiar with the fidget spinner. I actually got one now. There it is. I know it's kind of broken, I lost a few pieces, but it still works. Pretty fast. It is so hard to do like the thumb to thumb trick. I did it once, and yeah. Oh. I will leave a description. In the description, I will leave the name of Bobby's YouTube channel. Please subscribe. So, subscribe to my channel if you want to see like tricks for like this fidget. And then, oh, it's also the rare silver one. So, it's also broken on this side, but yeah, so subscribe if you want more, fidget spinner tricks, please subscribe. I'm almost up to 10 subscribers. So, subscribe to my channel and Bobby's channel, and please leave a like if you want more fidget spinners. So, yeah, bye.